Hey, you ever caught yourself in a lie? Whoops, better cover up. Oops, don't want anyone to know. Well, sometimes it's easier to let the truth slip out. Hey, if they already think you're weird, what's one more lie? What's one more white lie? Well, for Freddie the Fox, those little lies snowballed into big fat fibs. Scene 1. One day, Freddie the Fox Kit had a problem. He had berry juice all over his face, but he denied it when his mom asked, "Mom, did you eat the berries?" "No, a bird did. And that bird was huge. It spoke French. It had purple wings. And it ate all of my berries." "Oh, Freddie, don't lie. There are no birds that speak French." I guess that was another lie. See, when you lie, your stories get bigger and heavier. They stick to you like rocks. But the truth keeps you light and free. Haha, I'm so light and free. Scene 2. So Freddie strutted around telling everyone how he tricked the French bird. Everyone stared at him, but some of them looked confused. Others looked doubtful. They didn't believe his story. But Freddie didn't care. He liked being the center of attention. Plus, his lies felt good. They made him feel brave and important. "Wow, Freddie, you're so brave." "Yeah, saving all those berries from that French bird." Hey, does anyone want to hear another one of my amazing stories? Okay, just one more. Scene 3. Every time Freddie told a new lie, he felt like he was carrying a rock on his back. He had to keep track of all his fake stories. It was exhausting, but Freddie kept on lying. He lied to the rabbits, he lied to the squirrels, he even lied to the turtles. That's right, I tricked those slowpokes too. He started making up stuff about how he fooled all these different animals. Each lie added another rock to Freddie's burden. It was getting harder and harder to walk. Maybe I should tell the truth. Well, it's too late now. I told too many lies, and besides, it's hard to go back after you've been caught in a lie. No one believes anything you say. Scene 4. One day, Freddie looked up and saw something amazing. A beautiful rainbow waterfall sparkled in the distance. Freddie raced over. Come see, it's real, I promise." But no one believed the fox who lied. They all just shook their heads and walked away, and that hurt Freddie's feelings. Then he noticed something else. His nose was itchy. He scratched it. Then he looked up and saw another bird with a juicy worm dangling from its beak, and that gave Freddie an idea. He ran to the bird. Hey, give me that worm. I tricked you last time. You didn't get any berries, and this time you won't get any worms." And the bird flew away. And then Freddie realized something else. Being strong and brave wasn't about being the biggest or having the best stories. It was about doing the right thing. Scene 5. Slowly, Freddie walked home. He passed by the river. He dipped his paws in the cool water and sat down on a stone. Looking around, he saw that all the animals were staying away from him. He felt alone and sad. It was lonely being a liar. Then tears formed in Freddie's eyes. "It's real, I promise." But promises from a liar meant nothing. Freddie whispered. Trust was broken. It takes time to build trust, but only a second to break it. I really miss my friends. Scene 6. After a while, Freddie spotted his mom. She was gathering berries, and even though he was scared to tell her the truth, he knew he had to. He took a deep breath and trotted over to her. "Mom, I ate the berries. And I lied. All those stories were lies." Mom gasped. She dropped her basket of berries. But instead of getting mad, she licked some juice off of Freddie's face. "Oh, sweetheart, I was worried sick. Come home with me. We'll pick some more berries together." "Thank you, Mom." And as Freddie told the truth, he felt a weight lift off his back. All the heavy lies and fake stories slipped away. He felt free to make new friends and tell new stories. This time, the truth would make him braver. See, when you lie, your stories get bigger and heavier. They stick to you like rocks, but the truth keeps you light and free. Hey, want to see something cool? Watch this rock lift off this guy's back as he tells the truth, and watch all these animals return as he lets the truth set him free. That's right. Freddie found out that the truth may not be easy, but it is freeing. So when you're tempted to lie, remember Freddie and choose the truth. Thanks for watching. See ya.